Hey, have you heard about Elevate Florida? This is an incredible, groundbreaking program helped to mitigate Florida homeowners against future natural disasters. If you were impacted by the recent hurricanes, listen up because this video is for you. Okay, so who's eligible for this program? You must be over the age of 18, be a legal owner of a residential property in the state of Florida, and be able to contribute 25% of the project's cost. The remaining 75% will be covered by this grant. And finally, you don't have to have sustained previous damage or flooding to your home in order to be considered. This project will take 1 to 2 years to complete, which is about the normal rebuild time that we're seeing currently. You do have to vacate the property during the reconstruction phase, and the grant will cover 75% of your rehousing costs. Okay, so this grant program works in 4 different ways. You can either tear down the existing structure and rebuild a new elevated and to current code structure. You can elevate an existing structure. You can tear down a damaged structure and convert the property to a community open space. Or you can mitigate the existing structure against future wind events by replacing a roof or windows or doors so that they are wind hardy. This program offers an incredible cost savings. Only being responsible for 25% of the mitigation expense is incredible. By going through this program, you can help to mitigate your home against future damage, whether wind or flood events, at a much lower out-of-pocket expense. Plus, you'll increase your home's valuation and enjoy lower insurance costs. If you live in the state of Florida and own your own home, take a look at this program. To learn more about it, please visit floridadisaster.org and see if you may qualify for the program. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving me a follow, like, and/or share. You can find me at Christine Mitchell Realtor on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Follow along for more information similar to this.